Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechArts. So today I get the following error notification while I try to like the one Instagram post and it says try again later. We restrict certain activity to protect our community. So how to fix this issue? So before going to our tutorial, first of all, why this error occurs? So my point of view, this is not a error, which means that this is a type of warning message sent from Instagram team. So for example, if you try to like or comment the multiple posts at a time, they will block your Instagram account for a few days. So during this time period, you won't be able to like or comment any Instagram post, and the one and only way to fix this problem is just request to deactivate your Instagram profile. So how to do that processes? So if you get this error message, first of all take a screenshot and then go to your profile section. So here you can press that horizontal 3 lines icon and then go to settings. So here you can click to access help section and they ask for the help category. So you can select report a problem and one more time they ask for the problem category. So again you can select report a problem. So now you can briefly explain about your issue. But friends, almost you can type the same thing. So once you type your problem and then upload that warning message screenshot file. And finally you can click to submit this request. So once you submit your request and then one time log out your profile. And also clear this Instagram app data. So once you clear this Instagram data and one more time try to log in your Instagram profile. So I hope now this time that warning messages does not appear in your profile section. So if maybe again it shows that same warning message, you can wait for a few days for the reply message from Instagram team, because sometimes this Instagram team will verify your account details as well as your problem category. So you can wait for a few days. So anyway, if this trick works, just leave a one like. So otherwise, just put your valuable comments. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechArts, and thanks for watching.